Hey everyone, it's Matt Leicht, Sarasota Realtor, and today I'm going to show you around Siesta Key Beach. Thanks so much for being here to check out Siesta Key Beach today. My name's Matt Leicht. I'm a local realtor here in Sarasota, Florida, selling real estate and helping people learn all about this beautiful city that I get to call home. I'd love it if you would take a quick second to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See, I make videos on Sarasota and Sarasota real estate. So one of the biggest known facts about Sarasota is that it is home to the famous Siesta Key Beach. People come from all over the world to vacation on our white sand beaches. And if you're one of the lucky ones like me, well, you get to live here too. Today, I'll show you a bit about where Siesta Key Beach is located, what kind of amenities you can find at the beach, what's around the area, and a peek into some of my favorite things about it. Let's check it out. Siesta Key Beach is located in Sarasota on the 8-mile-long island or key of Siesta Key. There's two ways onto the key, through the North Bridge or the South Bridge. If you enter the key from the north, you'll drive through some of Siesta Key's luxury neighborhoods and waterfront properties, eventually winding your way through Siesta Key's village, which is the most popular area of the key for shopping and dining. Entering the key through the South Bridge off Clark Road will take you in a more direct route to Siesta Key Beach, driving alongside some of Siesta Key's famous beachfront condos. Either way, you're gonna make it to the beach. Siesta Key Beach isn't the only beach on the key. You'll also find Turtle Beach and Crescent Beach, though Crescent Beach is typically only used through private beach accesses from condominiums on the water. You'll also notice a handful of Siesta Key Beach accesses that are separate from the main hub of Siesta Key Beach. In fact, there's 13 of them. Let me jump on the bike and show you what I'm talking about. I'm here at beach access number 9. Now, Siesta Key has a ton of these beach accesses all along the key. Now, at these accesses, there's only a few parking spots, there's no amenities, but people love it because it gives you a lot less crowded beach experience. So take a look around, and then let's jump on the bike and head down to the main hub of Siesta Key. So we all know Siesta Key Beach has made list after list after list, mainly being recognized as the #1 beach in the United States. But beyond the powdery white sand and the sunsets, there are so many other things. Let me show you around what they are. Siesta Key Beach offers a pavilion with concession stands where you can grab a drink or a bite to eat. The covered pavilion also has some seating and restrooms with a small shop selling some beach essentials and toys. The beach also has a large playground with covered areas. Now my kids, they love this one. There's some covered and uncovered picnic areas surrounding the playground and also grills. Before getting onto the beach, you'll find a rental station where you can rent chairs, umbrellas, and even beach wheelchairs. The sunset deck is another spot to grab a quick snack or drink with a couple tables and restrooms. Out on the beach, you'll find lifeguards on duty along with a ton of sand volleyball courts. Throughout the year, they even host a handful of tournaments on the beach, which can be a lot of fun to check out. And as if you needed something else to do, while you're here, they also have some public tennis courts next to the parking lot. There's even a weekly evening drum circle, which draws a great group and is something very unique. Siesta Key Beach really has a lot of features. In other words, they're well prepared for the masses. There's free parking too, and a lot of it, but don't be fooled. It fills up quick during the popular seasons. I mean, I did say this was the #1 beach. So what's my favorite thing about Siesta Key Beach? Well, the amenities do make it really easy on all of its guests, but my favorite thing has to be the sunsets, the sand, and really the amount of beach space you get. There's so much room. But be warned, If you have toddlers like myself, it's quite a walk all the way from the parking lot to the water. But between throwing a football, frisbee, kicking a soccer ball around, there's literally enough room for everyone. Well, there you have it, the famous Siesta Key Beach. If you want to see more videos on Sarasota's beaches, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. For more info on Sarasota real estate, email me at info@mattlight.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.